Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching class 12th Economics, chapter number 1, Introduction to Microeconomics and Macroeconomics. So let's start with the chapter. In your class 11, you all have learned what is economics, its meaning and definition given by different economists. So in this chapter, we will learn something new about economics, and that is microeconomics and macroeconomics. Now let's talk about the introduction. Microeconomics and macroeconomics are the two main branches of modern economics. In the modern economy, there are two main branches, that are microeconomics and macroeconomics. Or in other words, we can also tell that economy are of two types, microeconomy and macroeconomy. The term micro is derived from the Greek word mikros, which means small or millionth part. Here it is given that the word micro has derived from a Greek language. Like in India, most of the words are derived from Sanskrit. In English, most of the words are derived from Greek or Latin. So this word has derived from Greek language, Greek word mikros. It means very small or millionth part. The word macro of macroeconomics is derived from Greek word macros, which means large, big, in lump. These terms were coined by Norwegian economist Ragnar Frisk of Oslo University in 1930. So the term microeconomics and macroeconomics were given by an economist named Ragnar Frisk, who was from Norway. So therefore it is known as Norwegian economist. So here's the diagram. Here it is given the main branches of economics, and it is of two types, microeconomics and macroeconomics. Further, there are given some details about the economist named Ragnar Frisk, and in this purple box, it is given that the history of micro and macroeconomics. It is not that important from exam point of view, so you can skip this or you can go through these points. It is not necessary, so don't prepare this as an answer for board exams. So this was the introduction of microeconomics and macroeconomics. So in the next lecture, we will learn about microeconomics in detail. So see you in the next